What is the city of Coventry famous for? The most common answers to this question are Lady Godiva, the Blitz, and the car industry. Most people unfortunately believe these three symbols of the city to be firmly consigned to the history books. The first two are for sure key parts of the city's medieval and 20th century history. The third, however, remains an important and vibrant part of the fabric of the city today. The car industry arrived in Coventry in the late 1800s, with the city's buoyant cycle manufacturing trade rapidly reacting to the growing interest in the motor car. Daimler established the first high-volume vehicle production plant on Sandy Lane in 1896. In the years that followed, car production boomed, reaching a peak in the mid-20th century where the city was home to a plethora of manufacturers from Alvis to Wolseley and more in between. Through the 20th century, production plants grew, they consolidated, and unfortunately were victims of the contraction of the UK manufacturing sector seen through the 80s and 90s. With the closing of the Peugeot factory in Ryton in 2007, volume manufacturing left Coventry more than a century after it arrived. This was not the end of the story, however. The city has seen a renaissance, reinventing its position in the global automotive sector as a centre for advanced research and development, the linchpin in the UK government's strategy to invest in low-carbon and self-driving vehicle technology. It is now home to world-class universities, technology startups, design houses and consultants, all specialists in automotive and transport technology. Industry is complemented by a vibrant automotive enthusiast community with a diverse mix of clubs, events and creatives calling the city home. In this podcast, we'll explore the boom, bust and reinvention of the UK's original motor city. We'll meet experts in the automotive history of the city, people who were there during the boom years, and the companies and creators defining what comes next as we accelerate through the 21st century. The Motor City UK podcast will launch in March 2026. Be sure to follow us on your favourite podcast app and on Instagram, where you can find us at Motor City Pod.